Everybody, it's Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and I'm doing a customer's vehicle today. His name is Santiago, and what I'm going to do for his parents' vehicle is do a headlight restoration. But what he doesn't know, I'm actually going to put him to work, and so he can touch and feel and actually do the job with me, so that he can say that he did the lights for his parents. Catch you later. Here with my boy Santiago, and he's gonna do the headlight restoration. He's putting the tape on very, very well, and this is one that we did already. This one's done. I showed him all the steps. He was learning, and here's what it looks like from the before. And he was very intrigued of what I was doing, and I said, well, if you want to help me out, you can do it too. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna tape it. I'm gonna walk him through the steps. He's gonna sand it twice, and then he's gonna use the machine, this machine right here, and polish it out. And he's very excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited, man. Yes, I'm doing your job.
Yeah, you're doing my job, and you're paying me for it. So
I'm learning though. I like to learn though, bro.
Yeah, that's what's a important part about it.
If I want to learn, I wouldn't be doing this.
Learning it. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'm missing this part over there. Now I have to do this side here?
Yep. So we're back here with Santiago, and he's ready to go ahead and start doing the sanding process. Yeah.
Like 100. This or like that?
You gotta go side to side. Yeah.
Side to side like this?
We want to, yeah. Remember, don't put too much pressure. Let the sandpaper do the work. Okay. You're good. You can see all the stuff coming out. Yeah, doing a good job. Just keep it lubricated. Look at that. Professional work. Ready. Out the box. Man, you done this before, right?
Yeah, one time.
One time, right? This is the first time?
Well, professional by you, by somebody teaching me? Yes, you.
All right.
I did it by myself and it wasn't good, so.
Sweet. So we're just going to keep going until most of the yellow stuff starts coming off. You can tell, like, the liquid is going to start being clear. So
that's it? No more?
I think you're pretty much good, yeah. Just pass it over one more time just to be on the safe side. All right. Okay. So what we're gonna do, let me get the sandpaper. Thank you. Grab the rag, clean it down.
Okay.
All right. What did you do, man? There's a ton of scratches in there, man.
Like that, or?
Dude, I told you not to press so hard. Dude, you know you messed this up, right?
No, I did not, right?
Yeah, man. Look at all those scratches, man. Oh, my goodness. Just kidding, dude. Supposed to be there. Okay, so here's our second sandpaper here, 2000 grit. Those scratches that you created when you clean the lenses are supposed to be there. The 2000 grit is going to make the scratches on there smaller.
So do it...
Same thing.
But softer? You want me to do it like that?
Yeah, the same way you were doing it. This one here, you don't have to do it as long as the other one, because all you're doing is, it's already clean. All you're going to do is minimize the scratches and make them smaller. So there you go. Perfect. Yeah, you're doing it right. Keeping it wet, keeping it lubricated. That's the key.
Okay.
Yeah. Do it here a little bit more. Yeah, keep going. Awesome. All right, man.
All right.
Looks good. Clean it down. Whoa.
Don't
put it on the... Yeah, you don't want to put this on the paint, man.
All right, man. I didn't know. Remember, I'm not trained.
Rookie mistake, man. Rookie mistake. Yeah, don't put the sandpaper on the paint.
All right.
You're all good, man. Don't worry about it. So, now, let's check your tape. Tape work is good. All right, Santiago. You ready for the fun part? All right, we're back with Santiago here, and he's going to go ahead and use the machine. 5 drops. That's perfect.
Okay.
It's a lot, but you know.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
It's all good. Don't worry about it. All right, my man.
All right.
Spread it. Push it around on there. Perfect. Since you have a lot, keep doing it. Keep spreading it around. You got a little extra on there. In fact, let me help you out. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Got a little piece right there. Okay. Here's the fun part. Put the machine on top of the lens. Turn it on. Press it. There you go. It starts spinning. Spread the material around.
Like that?
Yeah. All right, turn it off. All right. Now you're gonna polish it. Remember, keep it on there at all times.
Okay.
On or off. All right, here we go. Don't push too long, too top. Turn on. Put it on 3. Keep it pushed down. Go ahead. Slow, overlapping passes.
Like that?
Wait, go a little faster. One more. There you go. Okay. All right. Stop. Turn the machine off. Wait till it stops spinning. Remove it. You're done. Okay. Now what I want you to do now is wipe off the excess. I'll turn off this generator and let's see what you did, buddy. I hope you removed those scratches. You put all those scratches in there. Right. I hope you removed them. If not, you're gonna have to do the whole thing over again. But you know what? I don't see any scratches. I don't see any yellowing.
No, but I scratched it probably a little bit here though.
No, you didn't. You did not scratch that. What that is scratches from rocks, chips.
Oh, okay.
A lot of those little ones you can't remove.
What about here though? This is a hard section here, right?
Let's see. Nah, man.
No? Good?
You're good.
Okay.
Excellent job, man. Okay, so all you gotta do is remove the tape.
I'm done,
remove the tape
and out, though, that's for sure.
Put the sealant. Cool.
Right. You think mine will look like that?
Yeah, man.
I want to get it done now.
Here's the after. This is the side I did. This is the side Santiago did. And you know what? It's hard to tell, but I think he did a perfect job.
Cool.
But yeah, he did. Yeah, you did a perfect job, my man. But yeah.
Perfect as you polish it, though. You have to polish it.
That polish it, yeah.
You have to do the rest.
Yeah. So this was Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning. We did another headlights with the customer here, Santiago, and it came out perfect. Catch you next time. Later.